Everyone keeps asking the same question about AI. Is it dangerous? Does it replace people? Does it just tell you what you want to hear? People, we are usually afraid of things that are new. Not because they're bad, but because they're unfamiliar. When people don't understand something, they don't trust it. And when they don't trust it, they feel like they don't have control. When something doesn't come with clear instructions, people get uncomfortable. They like knowing the answers in advance. Everything works like that. Any tool, with instructions or without, depends on how you use it. It doesn't decide whether it makes you smarter or just more comfortable. You do. It's actually very similar to going to a psychologist. A psychologist doesn't tell you what your problem is, and they don't give you ready-made answers. You already know what your problem is. You already know the answer. They just help you hear yourself clearly enough to realize it. This works the same way. So if you're aware of that, you can use it differently, on your own terms, in a way that actually benefits you. And honestly, if you're smart enough to be afraid of it, you're smart enough to understand what you're afraid of. And once you understand that, you can use it for your own advantage. For me, it doesn't think instead of me. It helps me structure my thinking. Nothing new magically appears. I'm just taking everything that already exists in my head, ideas, doubts, perspectives, and putting it into one place. And if it sounds like it's telling me what I want to hear, that usually means I already knew the answer, which is sometimes uncomfortable, but very useful. This matters to me especially because I don't think in one language. I speak several languages, each one with a different logic, a different culture, a different way of seeing the same thing. So my thoughts don't arrive in a straight line. They arrive from different directions. That's not confusion. That's context. And when there's more context, you don't need simpler thinking. You need structure. That's what this gives me. So no, I don't see this as something that replaces people. I see it as a tool that quietly shows you how much you already know, which might actually be the part that makes people uncomfortable. Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense to you, or at least made you pause for a moment. If it resonated, I'll continue sharing more thoughts like this, just to think out loud, together.